Howdy folks, I'm Brett. Image transmission, the wireless monitoring solution for WEEBILL-S, is a revolutionary product in almost every way. With a range of up to 100 meters and a perfectly clear video feed, it's one impressive little fella. In this video, we're going to take a look at everything you get in the image transmission package, how to set it up, and how to use it. Special thanks to Zhiyun for sponsoring this video. The new image transmission system can be purchased as part of the WEEBILL-S image transmission package, and it will be available separately in the near future. Let's take a look at everything that's included. We get 5 different USB cables for connecting to various cameras. There's a mini USB cable for cameras like the Canon 80D, there's a USB-C cable for Panasonic cameras, the Canon EOS R, and the Nikon Z series of cameras. Then there's a multi-port cable for Sony cameras, which is the cable we're going to use today. For connecting the module to WEEBILL-S, there's the micro USB 002 cable. Then we have a transmitter mounting plate, 4 screws with an Allen key for mounting the plate, and of course, the image transmission module. When purchasing the WEEBILL-S image transmission package, you'll also get 3 custom HDMI cables, which are the perfect length. There's an HDMI micro to mini, mini to mini, and full HDMI to mini. Before we mount this thing, it's good practice to charge the module before every use, as the performance may degrade as battery gets low. Just use the included USB-A to micro USB cable.